Hi, I'm Cassie Viella at Feral Creatures Homestead, and today we are going to talk about how to take 2 tomato seedlings that you started and 2 of the seeds sprouted and turn them into 2 separately potted plants. So I started a whole bunch of seeds this year, and of course you put 2 or 3 seeds in each small container. So I used the hex tray with 72 small seed starting pods, and a lot of them, of course, both of the seeds sprouted, and I transferred them over to the pots as they grew, and then now they've continued to grow. And I went on the San Antonio Gardeners page and I asked, do I have to murder one of these tomatoes because they're both growing so well and I just hate to kill one off? And they told me, no, absolutely don't. You can separate them. And so I've kind of worked out my technique. I had dozens of double potted, double tomatoes. And so I worked on a technique, and so I wanted to make a video about it in case there are other people who are new to seed starting who are facing the same issue. And so one recommendation, if I were doing it all over, I would separate the seeds when I took them from the small seed pods and put them in this larger pot. I did do that with like a second round of seeds, and it was a lot easier when the tiny tomato seedlings have tiny little roots. They haven't grown all together yet. So it's a lot easier to do at that stage. But if you're like me and you got to this stage without separating them, no worries. I've done this successfully with dozens of double potted tomatoes, and all of them survived. Several of them are already planted out in the garden and flourishing. All right, I hope that was helpful for you and that you are able to get your tomato seedlings separated successfully. If you have any other techniques that you find that you've used in the past, put them in the comments because I'm always learning, and there are just so many gardeners out there who have this wealth of knowledge, and we're so grateful for you guys. So let us know in the comments if you have a better way to do it, or some tip that you found that works. And if this was helpful, then please like and subscribe.